Stick with the basics, baby.
Shake hands. Ready.
Hands out in front, don't reach.
None of that sloppy stuff.
Not into your legs, though. We had heavy sprawl. Heavy sprawl. Wizard hard. Wizard hard. Good.
Guard them legs. Don't give up shots that easy. Don't let him get that deep.
Watch the cradles here. There you go. Yep, no. Around the waist now. Right around the waist. Keep circling. Oh, step.
Don't get cradled.
Straighten your leg.
Run out. Dump what you got over
Right now. Fish for the head there, Ehab. Fish for his head.
Grab his head.
Ehab, fish for his head with your left arm.
Keep them hands locked. There you go.
Hey, turn it. Catch his head.
Oh, give it to me. All right, I'm good.
Hey, watch the shot on the whistle.
Stay low. Stay low. Level changes. Level changes.
Short time. Nothing here. Nothing here. Good stand.
Yeah. Stay low.
Stand bottom. Stay still. Come on, top. Keep coming.
Good, Ehab. Good movement. Now break that arm. Come on. Good. Hip up. Get off your head. Get off your head.
Circle.
Stand up.
Dump it. Dump.
Come on. Give it
Dump it. Now grab his. Fish your head.
Circle. Come on.
Get on the wrist. Get on the wrist. Drive.
Hey, you throw that half in, he's gonna roll.
Flatten him out.
Suck him back.
Watch the roll. Don't let him get that roll again.
Butcher.
You got to have forward pressure, Ehab. Where's your forward pressure?
Break him down.
Let's go.
Watch the rope. Fire it up.
Don't get high.
Chop
Ehab,
the
you gotta
arm.
get on the elbow.
Chop the arm.
Now chop it. Being up on his bicep doesn't do no good there. Grab the wrist. Cradle.
Hey, 5 seconds. Don't give up one.
That's the target again.
Red down.
Hey, watch the legs. You gotta come up. You gotta come up. Watch the cradle.
Sit. Stay still. Come on, top.
Up.
Get your one.
Hey, watch the curl.
Catch his wrist there. Yep. There you go. Now go again.
Pivot up.
Heel.
Get your one.
Don't go.
Get out, get your one, get two.
You can't sit. Get your leg out. Don't go. Get your leg out.
Turn it hard, turn it hard.
Gosh, you're going right to your back. Army crawl.
Up, 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 up.
Start moving out.
No. No. Get up. Quit reaching.
Ehab, stand up.
I'm straight out.
No. No.
What are you doing?
No. No. Flatten out, Ehab. Gosh.
You're giving it to him.
Get pinned with 30
Explode out of that.
seconds left.
Explode out of that. Explode. Yep.
Get up.
Stand up.
Get up.
Get up.
One. Is this the thing?
Get your head up. Watch the leg.
Take him on over there.